Set in the majestic mountains of northern Vietnam, Sapa is a dream destination for those seeking nature's beauty and cultural richness. Renowned for its breathtaking rice terraces, vibrant ethnic communities, and spectacular landscapes, this 3-day tour from Hanoi is your perfect getaway. Day 1, Hanoi, Sapa, hiking in Muong Hoa Valley. Kickstart your adventure with a scenic drive to Sapa. Upon arrival, take a captivating hike through the Muong Hoa Valley, famous for its terraced rice fields and traditional villages like Lao Chai and Ta Van. Day 2, explore Sapa, Cat Village and Fansipan Summit by cable car. Discover the cultural heart of Sapa with a morning visit to Cat Village, home to the Hmong ethnic group. Wander through the picturesque village, marvel at the terraced fields, and feel the charm of the Cat Waterfall. In the afternoon, ascend to the Fansipan Summit via cable car. Known as the Roof of Indochina, the summit offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding peaks and valleys, a moment you'll cherish forever. Day 3, Rong May Glass Bridge, Silver Waterfall, back to Hanoi. Begin your final day with a visit to the Rong May Glass Bridge, an exhilarating attraction that boasts sweeping views of the verdant valleys below. Then take in the natural beauty of the Silver Waterfall, one of Sapa's most iconic landmarks. Wrap up your journey with a scenic return drive to Hanoi, leaving with unforgettable memories of Sapa's wonders. Book your Sapa adventure today. Embark on this incredible 3-day journey and create memories that last a lifetime.